Today I'm partnering with Knorr and I use Knorr Liquid Seasoning to make Suanni Bairou, boiled pork and garlic sauce. It is the perfect spring and summer dish that everyone in your family will enjoy. And here's more information on Knorr Liquid Seasoning. It brings out the umami flavor. It is the perfect all-around companion in the kitchen, as you can use it to cook, marinate, sprinkle, and serve as a dipping sauce. Just one bottle inspires you with endless creations. In a large pot of water over high heat, place in the Shaoxing wine, ginger, scallions, Sichuan peppercorns, and pork belly. Traditionally, this dish requires the second cut of pork rump. In Chinese, we call Dao Rou, but butchers don't cut the pork that way in the US, so we'll replace it with pork belly. Bring it to a boil, then turn to the lowest heat and simmer for 1 hour. Remove the pork belly and let it cool down. It will be easier to cut into thin slices once it has completely cooled down. Trim off the uneven parts and cut into thin slices. To cook the sweet soy sauce, in a pot over low heat, bring the water to a simmer. Place in the Sichuan peppercorns, fennel seeds, star anise, black cardamom, bay leaves, and cinnamon. Cook until aromatic for about 3 minutes. Add the Knorr Liquid Seasoning. Soy sauce. And brown sugar. Whisk and cook for another 15 minutes until it is thickened. We'll need about 3 tablespoons of the sweet soy sauce today. You can save the rest in the fridge for next time or use for other recipes. Filter out the spices. To make the sauce, add the pureed garlic, minced garlic, salt, sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce that we just made, and chili oil. Whisk. Place the pork belly slices around a bowl. Traditionally, Chinese people would blanch or steam the pork slices again before serving, but I prefer eating it as a cold dish during spring and summer. You can try both ways and let me know which one you like better. And fill the center with more pork slices and cucumber. Top it with a plate and turn it over. Garnish with scallions and cilantro. Drizzle with the sauce on top. And served. The thinly sliced pork belly does not feel oily at all. Instead, it's really refreshing, garlicky, spicy, very aromatic, and full umami taste. It's super delicious. So I hope you enjoy making Suanni Bairou with me today. Knorr Liquid Seasoning is available at your local grocery store. For more delicious recipes, follow at Cook with Knorr on social media. I will see you again next week. Bye!